Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks and learning about the different types, such as feed-forward, convolutional, recurrent, and more. So, buckle up as we explore these amazing technologies. Starting with feed-forward neural networks, they process data in a single direction and are commonly used in pattern recognition. Next up are convolutional neural networks (CNNs), which are specifically designed for image or video data. You might even recognize them from popular tech companies like Google or Instagram. Moving on to recurrent neural networks or NNS, they're great at processing sequential data like text or time series. But beware, they can suffer from the long-term dependency problem, also known as vanishing gradients. Finally, let's talk about recurrent neural networks or NNS, which are used for text and speech recognition. They're perfect for predicting future events based on past data and have led to significant breakthroughs in natural language processing. And that wraps up our quick tour of neural network terminologies. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the exciting world of AI. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.